My name is Namesh Joshi. I work as head of the Department of Interior Design in Kalinga University, Nayara. We invite all the students who are working in the field of interior design or in the field of architecture or who are working as a freelancer in the field of interior designing. By doing this course, you will get the practical experience to how to develop any project from starting of designing point to the execution point. Give you experience how to develop a project as per the government requirement. We are giving you experience or knowledge on how you can develop estimates for fight any project in the banking sector or any government sector projects. We are also provide you knowledge how to fight tenders or how to make the tenders in the field of interior designing. Thank you so much. We invite all the students to be part of this internship program at Kalinga University, Nayara.